Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we will discuss about a creative that appeared in the board exam. Okay, Select Board 2017. From refraction of light, this question came. So as you can see, this is the stem. This figure was given in the stem and no other information. And in C, they told to find the relative refractive index of A with respect to B. Okay, so inshallah we will try to find it out. Now from this figure, I will ask you some question and you will try to answer them. Okay. Number one, light. There are two medium, right? Light ray is going from which medium to which medium? Can you tell me? Is it going from A to B or B to A?
B to A.
The light ray is going from B to A. That means you cannot see the arrow that I have put here clearly. Can you see the arrows that I have put?
Yeah.
No, sir.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
Give the arrows clearer. Now can you see them?
So, yes. So it's going from A to B.
Very good. Now the light ray is going from A to B. Okay. So the incident ray is PO, refracted ray is OQ. Now I want to ask you, what is the angle of incidence? From the figure, can you tell me what is the angle of incidence?
Sir, 45 degree.
45 degree. Now, and then angle of refraction?
30 degree.
30 degree.
30 degree. So if I have these two, I can calculate the refractive index, right? But we have to be very careful. The light ray is going from A to B. So should I write A first or B first?
A first.
A, because light ray is going from A to B, A eta B. Okay. So A eta B will be equal to sine I divided by sine R. Correct? Now you can put the values. Sine I is 45 degree and divided by sine R is 30 degree. But remember, did they tell you to calculate this one? Is it similar?
No, sir.
So you have to be very careful. A eta B, you can calculate this one, but you are required to calculate B eta A. So we know that we can convert it, okay? A eta B can be written as 1 by B eta A, right? So from here, we will calculate. So we will just, take inverse of it, B eta A, and it will be sine 30 divided by sine 45. As we have inverted this one needs to be inverted too. So now you can calculate. What is the value of sine 30? It is half. And sine 45, 1 by root 2. So ultimately it will be 1 by 2 into root 2 by 1. So the answer will be 1 by root 2. Okay. So you can convert it into decimal if you want. Okay, better to convert in decimal because I have always seen this, refractive index to be expressed in decimal. So express in decimal. Can you tell me how much is it in decimal? 1 by root 2?
Sir, 0.707.
0.707. Okay, thank you. So that's the value of the refractive index that they told us to find out. Okay. So this is what came in C for 3 marks. Very easy, right? Then they put another question in D for 4 marks. I will read out the question for you that they gave in D, okay? What will happen to the light ray of two media of the stem are interchanged with each other and light ray PO is incident along the same direction. Okay, so now the situation is like this, that medium A will go to that side, medium B will come to this side. Okay, and the light ray PO is same, incident ray is same, but will the refracted ray be the same? We have to check this. Okay, now to analyze this, first we have to understand which one is the rarer medium, which one is the denser medium. Now based on the scenario that we have here, can you tell me the medium A is rarer or medium B is rarer, or which one is denser? Can you tell me?
Sir, medium A is rarer and medium B is denser.
Okay, based on what logic you said that?
So because it's going from denser to medium, right? Denser medium to rarer medium.
You said medium A is rarer, medium B is denser. That means rarer to denser. Okay, now the answer based on what logic you said? There must be some logic that based on which you said this, that medium A is rarer. Why medium A is rarer? Anybody else? Nobody? Okay, no problem. Now the light ray, the refracted ray has moved towards the normal or away from the normal?
Towards the normal.
Towards the normal. Now when this happens, light ray when passes from rarer to denser or denser to rarer?
Rarer to denser.
Very good. When light ray passes from rarer to denser medium, the light ray bends towards the normal. Okay, so that is why we can say that, okay, this is the rarer medium and this is the denser medium. Correct? Okay, this is our given scenario. But now indeed they are saying that this situation will be changed. Means this rarer medium will go to that side and this denser medium will come to this side. That means our new figure will look like this. This will be medium B now and this will be medium A now. As we know, medium A, it is rarer medium. Okay, before it was here, now they interchange. And this medium B, this is denser medium. And the incident ray, this is going to remain same. This is going to remain same. P and this point is O. Okay, so light ray now it is passing from denser to rarer. Now when the light ray is passing from denser to rarer, two scenarios are possible. Can you tell me what are the two scenarios or two possible outcome? When the light ray is passing from denser to rarer medium, the two possible outcome is one, if if the angle is actually three possible scenarios. Okay, number one, if the incident angle is less than critical angle, then the light ray will be refracted in the second medium. It will move away from the normal and it will go to the second medium. This is number one. Number two, if the incident angle is equal to the critical angle, then the light ray will pass through the surface of separation. And if the incident angle is greater than critical angle, then it will be totally internally reflected. Total internal reflection will take place. Now we have to check out of these three, which one is going to take place. Now you already have the value of incident angle, that is 45 degree. So as you know, it is 45 degree. You can compare it with the critical angle. But do you know the critical angle? We don't know the critical angle, right? If I know that the critical angle is 40 degree, let us say, then our incident angle, we can understand that it's greater than critical angle. So we can say that it will be totally internally reflected. Okay. So we must know the critical angle first to understand what is going to happen. Okay. So how can we calculate this critical angle? If you remember, now the light ray is passing from B to A, right? So B eta A will be equal to sine theta C. We developed this relationship between the refractive index and the critical angle. So B eta A, okay? So this one, if you remember, in C, B eta A, we found out to be 0.707, correct or not? This is what we found out in C. So 0.707, this is equal to sine theta C. So from here, theta C is equal to, we can write sine inverse 0.707. So this will probably give you 45 degree, or I guess 45 degree, correct or not? Kindly check sine inverse 0.707, or actually it was 1 by root 2, right? It was 1 by root 2, we converted to decimal. So if I put 1 by root 2, we will get more accurate value. Okay, so sine inverse 1 by root 2. Okay, so if you put this, I think you are going to get 45 degree. Kindly confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
45
sir,
degree.
45 degree.
Okay, so now we can see that incident angle is equal to the critical angle. Incident angle is 45 degree and the critical angle is also 45 degree. So when the incident angle becomes equal to the critical angle, the refraction angle becomes 90 degree and it passes through the surface of separation. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so the two other possible cases, when I will be greater than theta c, we will say that total internal reflection will take place. That means it will go like this. But now, total internal reflection. Shortcut লিখে দিলাম। আর I equal to c, এটার জন্য কি হবে? Refraction angle will be 90 degree. Okay, and what will happen is the light ray will pass through the surface of separation. You have to write it. Light ray passes through the surface of separation. Okay, so এটা একটা কেস, এটা একটা কেস, আরেকটা হচ্ছে যদি I is less than theta c. I is less than theta c, then what will happen? Then light ray will be reflected. Light ray will be refracted to the reflected to which medium? A medium. মানে এদিকে এভাবে চলে যাবে, ওকে, to A medium. ওকে, সো একটা হতে পারতো এইটা, আরেকটা এইটা, আরেকটা এইটা। তো তিনটা কেস এখানে হইতে পারে। তো আমাদের কেসটা হচ্ছে কি I equal to theta c, তাহলে আমাদের কেস হবে এটা, light ray will pass through the surface of separation. Clear? Okay, anybody has any question? Nobody? Okay. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the second curative that we are going to solve today, and it is regarding lens. Okay, can you tell me what type of lens it is?
Concave.
Convex.
Convex.
Convex lens, right? Okay, because
Convex.
cat mota, matha chicken. Okay, so this is convex lens, and you can see that in front of that lens, an object has been kept. At what distance the object is kept?
10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. And we always consider the distance of the object at, for your level at least, okay, it is positive because it is kept in front of the lens and it is a real object. So u is equal to plus 10 centimeter. And as you can see, the image that has been formed on the other side of the lens, that is real or virtual?
Real.
Because the rays are actually meeting. You don't have to extend them backward. The rays are actually meeting. So the image that will be formed here is real image. So the distance of the image, it will be considered positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive, because it is a real image. So V is also is equal to positive 15 centimeter. Okay. So these are the two information given, and we have to find out these three quantities. One, focal length. How can we find it out? We know that it has got a relation with the U and V. So 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now, before we actually find the focal length, can you guess whether it will be positive or negative? F, will it be positive or negative?
So
I saw
positive.
Mahmoud
Maybe.
raised hand.
Positive.
No problem. At first, I want to know if it will be positive or negative. What is your opinion? Okay.
Positive.
You people have forgot. So it positive hobe because the convex lens has a positive focal length and the concave lens it will have a negative focal length. Okay. Acha. So 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Let us put the value. Oh, Mohammed, তুমি কিছু কোশ্চেন জিজ্ঞেস করতে চাইছিলা, বলো তো কি সমস্যা?
স্যার এক্সামের সময় এরকম লাইক মেজার দেওয়া থাকবে না কোশ্চেনে, তো আমরা কি লাইক সেম মেজারমেন্ট নিয়ে করতে হবে নাকি
হ্যাঁ,
আমরা কি লাইক এক্সামে কোশ্চেন পেপারে যে সেম লাইক যে মেজারটা থাকবে সেম মেজারমেন্ট নিয়ে করতে হবে নাকি আমরা আমাদের ইচ্ছা মতো করতে পারবো ড্রয়িংটা?
ও ড্রয়িংটা মানে এটা 10 সেন্টিমিটার লেখা আছে, তো তোমার এক্স্যাক্টলি 10 সেন্টিমিটারই হইতে হবে কিনা?
ইয়েস।
না, না, বাট
ওকে।
একটু কমন সেন্স অ্যাপ্লাই করতে হবে। সেটা হচ্ছে কি, এখানে মনে করো এটা 10 সেন্টিমিটার বলছে আর ওখানে এটা 15 সেন্টিমিটার বলছে। সো 10 সেন্টিমিটার থেকে 15 সেন্টিমিটারটা যেন দেখতে বড় হয়, ডেফিনেটলি 10 সেন্টিমিটার থেকে 15 সেন্টিমিটারটা বড়ই হবে, তাই না? সো তুমি 10 সেন্টিমিটার এতটুকু দিয়ে যদি 15 সেন্টিমিটার এতটুকু দাও এখানে, তাহলে কিন্তু ইউ হ্যাভ আ প্রবলেম। এটা এগুলো আশা করি তোমরা বুঝো, ঠিক আছে? এগুলো বোঝার মতো নলেজ তোমাদের আছে। তো এই জিনিসগুলো খালি মাথায় রাখবা, একদম একুরেট হইতে হবে না যে এটা 10 সেন্টিমিটার 10 সেন্টিমিটার, ওটা 15 সেন্টিমিটার 15 সেন্টিমিটার, তো তাইলে দেখবা যে ফিগারটা তুমি খাতার মধ্যে আঁটাইতে পারবা না, ঠিক আছে? তো খালি এই জিনিসটা খেয়াল রাখবা যাতে চোখে দেখতে বোঝা যায় যে এটা 10 সেন্টিমিটার ওটা 15, তো 15 সেন্টিমিটারটা একটু বড়, এটা বুঝে গেলেই হবে বাস। ফিজিক্সে এত টেনশন নেই, ওকে? বাট এটা হচ্ছে ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল প্রবলেমের ক্ষেত্রে। বাট যদি তোমাদেরকে ওই যে রে ডায়াগ্রাম গুলো ড্র করতে বলে, রে ডায়াগ্রাম কোনগুলা? যেখানে তোমাদেরকে বলা হয় যে কনভেক্স লেন্সে কিভাবে ইমেজ ফর্ম হয় যখন অবজেক্ট সেন্টার অফ কার্ভেচারে থাকে, ওগুলা যদি পারফেক্ট জায়গায় তোমরা তোমাদের ইমেজটা পাইতে চাও, তোমাদের কিন্তু ক্যালকুলেশন ঠিক রাখতে হবে। ওরা তোমাদেরকে কোনো ইয়ে বলে দিবে না, ফোকাল লেন্থ এত নাও বলে দিবে না, বাট তোমার নিজে থেকে খেয়াল রাখতে হবে যে তুমি রেডিয়াস যতটুকু নিতেছো সেটা রেডিয়াস অফ কার্ভেচার, এবং এইটার হাফ যে মিডল যে পয়েন্টটা সেখানে তোমার প্রিন্সিপাল ফোকাস বসাইতে হবে। তো এইসব জিনিসগুলো ওই ক্ষেত্রে কিন্তু একদম একুরেট মেজারমেন্ট হইতে হবে, নাহলে ইমেজটা প্রপারলি তুমি পাবা না, ঠিক আছে? বাট ম্যাথমেটিক্যাল প্রবলেমের ক্ষেত্রে ইট ডাজন্ট ম্যাটার, ওকে? সো এখন আমরা এই ভ্যালুগুলো বসাই। 1 by v, that is 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by f. So 15 10, LCM is 30. So 15 2 is 30, so 2 10 3 is 30, so 3 is equal to 1 by f. Then 1 by f is equal to, it is 3 plus 2, 5 by 30. So f will be equal to, if I inverse it, then it will also become 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. So f is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. F is equal to 6 centimeter. The focal length is positive, as we guessed, it is 6 centimeter. Now we will calculate the magnification. Okay, magnification, how we can calculate? F is equal to, sorry, M is equal to minus V by U. Okay, so we will simply put the value V, it will be 15, and U, it is 10. So the magnification is minus 1.5. What is the unit of magnification? Anybody remembers? Fatima Akbar? Are you there, Fatima? Fatima Akbar is absent today. Okay. Fatima to Zohra.
Sir, we don't remember.
Magnification does not have any unit. Why it does not have any unit? Because it is 15 centimeter. It is also 10 centimeter. Centimeter, centimeter, they cancel each other, and it is unitless. Only it is a value minus 1.5. Okay, so this minus indicates the image is real and inverted. If you remember, we already studied this, that when magnification is negative, the image is real and inverted. When magnification is positive, the image is virtual and erect. Okay, anyway, so this is the value of magnification, and now we are going to calculate the power. So power is the reciprocal. Power is the reciprocal of focal length. So 1 divided by focal length we got 6 centimeter. Okay, so if you put it here, what is the value you are going to get? I guess 0.167 diopter. Correct?
0.1667.
Yes, sir.
0.166, it will continue 0.167 diopter. Correct, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent. We are successfully wrong. Why? I told you repeatedly, whenever you are putting the value of focal length in this equation, you are calculating the power. The focal length must be in
Meter.
Meter.
but we put the value in centimeter and you said right. It's not correct. We have to convert it into meter. So 6, if you convert it into meter, you have to divide it by 100. So you will get 0.06 meter. So here we have to put 0.06 meter. Then we will get the correct answer. So I guess it will become now 16.67, like this something. Okay. Understood? If you understood,
Yes.
if no response, then it is hard for me to understand whether understood or not. Okay, anyway. So these are the two creative, okay, two type of creative that you might see in the exam. Okay, there are several other creatives. Inshallah, we will practice with time. But for now, refraction of light, we are done with this chapter. Inshallah, from the next class, we will start a new chapter. Okay. See you on Sunday, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu. Anybody wants to ask any question before we end the class?